Animation hand drawing must learn the doll body drawing method. Human body dynamic square block painting. To be honest about perspective and geometry. Beginners who are not good at volume are not very friendly. Stickman split drawing will be more suitable. Zero base drawing, but square chunks. It is indeed a widely accepted universal painting when writing, and I like to start with the whole. Then separate out to large blocks. Arc the top of the chest. You can get a side section of the neck. Auxiliary block. Draw the neck position. Find out the approximate position of the head. Use a sphere to draw the orientation of the head. The three major body blocks of the human body come out. It's a scale of 8 heads, so the upper body is as long as the legs. The middle of the leg is the joint. Draw the dynamic line of the leg. You can draw the outside line like a stick figure. Sometimes I like to draw the inside line. This will determine the distance between the knees. Use different options for different dynamics. Draw the shoulder joint ball at 1/3 of the spherical joint, the line that connects the clavicle to the scapula. Then draw the line of the trapezius muscle. The shoulder part comes out. Dynamic position of the painting hand. Use the articular ball to indicate the node position. Draw the arm dynamic line. Then draw the approximate simplified shape of the hand. The hand, on the other hand, is moving in exactly the same way. After the dynamics of the whole human body come out, you can do the basic assembly connection. The collection required by the whole human body includes the cube, spherical cylinder, trapezoidal block. These few. It needs to be based on the movement of the human body and the overall perspective. And the environment draws the perspective of the individual volumes. For example, in the same perspective environment. Lift legs and stand upright. The fluoroscopic performance of the 2 thigh blocks will be different. So geometry. Students with poor perspective will have a big head. The remaining structure, it's basically connecting the volumes. Just draw. The painting method is worth it. You can like it and collect it if it is useful. See you next time.